am Chukwu Raphael, the founder and the executive director of Disability Rights Protection Initiative, DRP. As you all know that DRP is into giving free legal advice and representation to persons with disabilities who suffer some sort of discrimination or harassment on the basis of their disability. Over the years, there have been stories involving discriminations of persons with disabilities by individuals and institutions. For instance, in December of 2020, one of our members was discriminated against by Dana Airline. And we wrote to Dana, they didn't do anything about it. In March 2021, a lady, Barrister Chinyere Catherine Ede, was also equally discriminated against by Dana Airline, and nothing was done about that. In August 2021, a lady, GloriaMary Ogoamaka, was discriminated against by Dana Airline. Not just that she was discriminated against, she faced all kind of humiliation by Dana Air staff. She was actually built to fly from Enugu Airport to Lagos on August 5th, 2021. And she was blatantly refused boarding just because she's disabled. And when Gloria Ogoamaka tried to inquire why she couldn't fly through the Dana Airline after she had purchased her flight ticket, she was told that that was their protocol. That is, their protocol is that persons with disabilities or those who are wheelchairs or you are deaf, you are blind, cannot just fly just because you are disabled. And fortunately, Gloria Ogoamaka approached DRP and led complaints over that discrimination. After all sort of assessment, we involved our lawyers here in Lagos and also in Enugu State. After the assessment, we finally concluded that we have somebody's rights to protect. That is to say, Gloria Ogoamaka has been humiliated. She has been discriminated against just because of her disability or on the basis of her disability. So as you can see, the video you're about watching, Gloria was able to tell her own story, what really happened between her and Dana Airline at the airport in Enugu State. As a matter of fact, DRP has taken up this matter up on her behalf. But before we proceed, I would want you to watch the video to see what really happened between Gloria Ogoamaka and Dana Airline.
Hello, my people. Good afternoon, everyone. Look at me very well. You can see me very well on wheelchair. I'm right now at Dana Airline at Enugu State. I was meant to board an aircraft to travel to Lagos. But on getting to the point, they told me that I cannot travel alone because of the fact that I'm on wheelchair. That if I don't have an assistant, that they can't board me. It's not done anywhere. It's not done anywhere. I didn't get it. I see it as a sort of discrimination against persons with disability. So does it really mean that if I don't have any person to go with me, I cannot go to Lagos, I can't travel? Is that what it means? This world, hear this, help me to sort this out. Is that what it means? Is that what it means? And they simply say that it is their protocol. But I don't get it. I don't get it. Right now, I am sad. I am really sad because they have shown me that I am there, that I'm not part of them. That's what it means. Because even my myself in my own house. Did I need somebody to take me out, maybe to go and do anything? I didn't see it as a right thing to do. That's why I'm calling on all of you. Everybody has to come up and say something about this. It's really not done anywhere. It's really not done anywhere. I rest my case here. I'm right now at the airport at Enugu until the flight moves. I know that it's real. It's real.
Gentlemen, I want to know how you feel about this woman's predicament. I'm very sure you don't feel good about it right there you are watching this particular video. But the truth is that this is what Ms. Gloria Ogoamaka suffered at the hands of Dana Airline when she was built to travel from Enugu, to Lagos State. Well, it is already a matter sub judice. In other words, Disability Rights Protection Initiative on the 29th December 2021 had actually sued Dana Airline over the discriminatory policies or acts they have in their protocols or their air policies, which of course I know that are discriminatory. So we wouldn't want to talk much about this since it's already in the court of law at the Federal High Court, Enugu Division. We all believe that justice shall be duly served. And I also want to use this great opportunity to urge our members from the disabled community in Nigeria to always speak up whenever they feel their rights have been trampled upon. You don't have to keep quiet. When you keep quiet over what an individual or group of people or an institution have done to you, you are doing yourself more harm. You are hurting yourself the more. Because when you speak up, there will be solutions. People will come to your aid. Just look at the case of Gloria. When she approached DRP, we had no other option than to give her all that she needed, which was to give her legal advice and also to represent her in the court of law to ensure that justice is served over the experience she had with Dana Airline. So I thank all of you. You can always let us know how you feel about this incident, but please be civil in your comments, be civil in your reactions, because this matter is already in the court of law. Once again, my name is Nwogbo Raphael, the founder and the executive director, Disability Rights Protection Initiative. Thank you so much.